flying jets, like those seen in the Jetsons, might become a reality. SkyDrive showcased a prototype at CES 2022, aiming for an air taxi model, SD05, by the 2025 World Expo. These compact, emission-free vehicles could revolutionize transportation, especially in emergencies and hard-to-reach areas. Another product from France, this time developed at Renault. Behind its plain appearance, there are some curious design solutions, so don't rush to any conclusions. The concept was presented in 2002 and surprised us with a transparent roof that made the interior seem bigger, folding seats which allowed turning the interior into a zone for lounging, and unusual doors. The front doors open forward, and the rear doors open backward, and there's no pillar between them. A Renault Clio was used as a base, and some design elements are inspired by the Renault Megane. It features a 73 cubic inch diesel engine. As you can see, not all concept cars should be sporty trimmed and upgraded with powerful engines because the regular buyer would rather buy a more comfortable and practical car. The helicopter you have always wanted. The creators of this project are sure it is a great option for private buyers, combining luxurious design and the latest technical solutions. The specifications are impressive: a 500 horsepower engine, 162 miles per hour cruising speed, 808 nautical miles range, and a capacity for 5 people. The helicopter was developed by the British company Hill Helicopters, and the head of the company, Jason Hill, said the HX50 is the first clean-sheet helicopter in decades. That's one of the reasons why it's cheaper than similar vehicles. The company is currently accepting pre-orders, with the first deliveries scheduled for 2023. Now let's check another unusual product. This time, it's a multi-purpose vehicle for polar exploration. The front part of the concept is a fully fledged tractor unit, and closer to the middle, there are living and research sections. The configuration of the sections can be changed, resulting in a compact research station. According to the author's idea, the vehicle will be powered by a fuel cell electric engine. Different kinds of equipment, including solar panels, can be placed on the roof. The project was created in cooperation with the International Polar Foundation and reflects not only the needs of scientists, but also the trend towards environmental friendliness. Why use a computer mouse or a touchpad if we are born with the most advanced pointing device, i.e., our fingers? Driven by this question, experts from Switzerland have created a unique ring that allows you to control the cursor, scroll through pages, and perform other familiar operations on the screen with the movements of your fingers. The ring doesn't require additional apps. It works via Bluetooth and is so well protected against moisture that it can withstand hand or dishwashing. The battery lasts for 24 hours, and the device is suitable for both right and left-handed people. However, the authors of the project note that the working surface must be more or less solid and monochrome, otherwise, there can be errors. Let's hear from engineers from Germany, or to be more precise, from the company Rheinmetall, which often appears in our videos. They introduced the concept of the latest KF-51 Panther tank. At the moment, the exact characteristics of this vehicle are unknown, and the model presented at the Eurosatory is more of a technology showcase. But the company did reveal some details. The tank will be equipped with a smoothbore gun L52 for 5 inches. It features a 7.62mm machine gun, which can be remotely controlled. The crew will be able to fly Hero 120 kamikaze drones with a range of about 25 miles. The tank weighs approximately 130,000 pounds, and the model is tailored to fit the NGVA architecture, which implies the connection of all tank systems to a digital network available to all crew members. The creators of this exoskeleton believe that with it, you can run effortlessly on all types of terrain. It was created in Japan. The device helps reduce stress on the joints and the waist and also absorbs some of the shock load inherent in running. The manufacturer specializes in similar products. For example, some time before, they created an exoskeleton that allows a person to lift 220.5 pounds to a height of up to 6.6 feet. And this model is an auxiliary option suitable for delivery workers or mail carriers. "3D-printed food is emerging in gourmet restaurants, utilizing paste-like inputs for mousse, chocolate ganache, purees, doughs, and soft cheeses. This technology allows for aesthetic presentations, making unappetizing foods more appealing. While still in its infancy, 3D printed food has the potential to impact the culinary world. Let's look at this creation of Chinese engineers. They produce these displays, which can be twisted and rolled. They're very compact. The 17-inch OLED screen is only 0.08 inches thick. There's also a tiny AMOLED screen that measures 6.7 inches and expands to 7.8 inches with a single tap. The production cost is reduced by about 20%, which brings us closer to the mass implementation of these products. According to the manufacturers, the market potential is enormous, and by 2025, the market for smartphones with flexible displays will be 80% more profitable. Edible food packaging aims to address the environmental impact of traditional packaging. From edible cups lined with heat-resistant chocolate to packaging made from milk proteins, these innovations seek to reduce waste and offer a sustainable alternative.